You need to remember this. I said one
One
turn.
turn.
Why are you turning more?
This is one
Doesn't
turn.
matter. No, now it's one turn because I moved
Okay, I
the
was
back.
like this.
No, you were here. You
Okay.
need to remember this. You can't be overturning the steering wheel. Straighten up and continue. And then turn left at the end. Because when you overturn the steering wheel, the car
It's gonna
doesn't
go-
go where you want it to go.
Okay.
Signal left. Slow. Let them come. At the roundabout, turn right, please, taking the third exit. Full turn. Turn right at the end, please. And 2 cars fit in the gap. Approaching this very roundabout, we are going straight ahead, taking the second exit, please. Welcome to the live stream, guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon button for the next coming videos. And if you have any queries or any questions regarding the driving, you can message me in the comment box and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Turn next right, please. So when you're turning right, where are you going to position the car?
Yeah, the middle here.
Near the line there.
Near the line.
Not in the middle of the road.
Yeah,
Further clear the
in
lines and
okay.
check right side, is it clear?
Yeah.
There, this way. Check this side, is it clear?
Yes.
Continue. Left lane.
Left lane.
Pick up speed straight away.